Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I hope you're all doing amazing. And I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. I am here with a Amazon haul to show you guys. So, like I said, I've been ordering everything pretty much from some online. Well, I've been shopping online a lot, as you guys know. So, like I've mentioned before in my videos, but so I've ordered some more stuff for Easter baskets. And and I have a couple other things I ordered as well. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. And I will include the links below in my description box underneath here to the links to these items as well. And but other than that, I hope you guys have had a wonderful Wednesday, like I said. And thank you so much for being here. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this Amazon haul. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the retainer boxes. So this is kind of boring, but functional, like really functional. So two of my daughters just finished braces about a year ago. They got out of their phase 1 of braces, and so they wear retainers, and so retainer boxes can get kind of yucky over time, you know what I mean? And I decided to order them some new retainer boxes, and I got them in all these colors, and I don't remember exactly how much. I want to say these were $14.99, but I could be wrong. And it actually says, this is a dental device. If found, please return. And there's actually, like, they put little tags on there that you can actually put on the box, so that if you were to take your retainer somewhere and lose it. So, but yeah, it's like really great deal because you get yellow. Look at the nice colors. It's like marbleized yellow, red, blue, purple, green. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 of them. So very functional, like, and they can trade them out and have fun fashion colors for the retainer boxes. Like I said, they do get kind of icky after a while from daily use, the retainer boxes. I mean, I remember I used to wear retainers. I had braces on my 2 front teeth and retainers and other orthodontia things when I was a kid. And I had retainers too. So I totally remember the days where I had to, have retainer boxes. I think they're fun, and I, want to make it fun for them. So I got fun colors. Okay. Now, the next thing I picked up from Amazon is this. So I picked up this darling shirt for my daughter. And I accidentally ordered a medium. So I'm going to have to return it so I ordered a small tonight, and I hope it gets here in time. If not, she'll have to keep the medium. But it says, it's really cute, and it says, introverted but willing to discuss plants. She, like I've mentioned in so many videos, my oldest daughter, she loves gardening and planting things and just doing all that, like watching things, her garden grow and stuff. So introverted but willing to discuss plants. I think that is so cute. This was $12.95. It's just a fun, cute shirt. $12.95, and it comes in a lot of colors, you guys. It comes in blue, light gray, another gray color, purple, I think, and green. I chose a black because it came in the fastest, and so $12.95. There you go. So like I said, this is a medium, adult medium, and she's a child. She's only, my daughter is only 12. She'll be 13 in November. So this looks a little big on her. I mean, I don't know yet because I haven't given it to her, but like I said, I will put this in her Easter. This is for her Easter basket. So if I don't get the other one in time, then she'll just have the medium then, and I think, but I think it'll come in time. So I can just return the medium and give her the small. So I don't know how I did that, like how I mistakenly bought a medium. I don't know how I did that, because I know she's not a medium in adults. I know that. I don't know. Then the next thing I picked up was this for my daughter. This is for my oldest daughter as well. This is how it came in the box, just like this. It's like rattling around. What could this be? But I know when I opened it, I'm like, what is this? When I first got it. So what it is, it's a watering can. Okay. This is $12.99 on Amazon. And I like that. I like the color. It came in 3 colors. It came in this color and 2 others. And it has the spout. And then what she wanted was the thing that makes it rain. When you pour it out, the the sprinkler head kind of thing. So it's all in there. It's kind of a weird shape. It's in there at the bottom. I don't know if the light is catching it. It's kind of a weird, I don't know if she's going to like it. I think she will. It's like a longer spout, but this is the only one I could get to be delivered on time. Because everything's kind of backed up. Not everything on Amazon, I shouldn't say that, but a lot of things are. And I like the shape of it, and I like the color of it, and I think it'll serve its purpose. So it's a bit smaller than I wanted, but she's also only 12 years old, and it'd be kind of hard to carry a big, heavy one. So this is a perfect size for her to, you know, water her plants in the garden. So she has her own garden, and so this is cute. This will be really cute. And then let me show you what else I got. I know I've been busy on Amazon, you guys, like totally busy ordering. So this is going to go in her Easter basket. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it will. It's going to go in her Easter basket. So I got that. Then I picked up this for $20.99. And this came from Amazon Prime as well. And it's Monopoly, what's it say? Monopoly Voice Banking. Now, I don't know what this all entails. They did not have the other Monopoly, the original one. They have a lot of different Monopoly options, which I was surprised to see, like different play on Monopolies, no pun intended. But yeah, so this one was the cheapest one, and it's a computerized or kind of thing. I don't know exactly. Not computerized, but has a thing. So watch this. So you push this button. See how it lights?
Hello. Say Pasco or Chance Card.
Chance Card.
Chance Card. You won second prize in that singing contest. Here's the 50 Monopoly dollars.
So it's like voice activated or something. So it says the voice activated hat manages your entire game. So it's a hat. I guess, is this a hat? I guess it's probably a hat. And there's the back of it. So it's cool because it's like a black board as opposed to the, you know, the whiteboard that we've, you know, it's been around forever. Isn't that pretty? So I thought this would be really fun. So we're going to play this as with our family. And, you know, because we're all here at home, so might as well have fun with more board games. So $20.99. Again, it does different things like...
Hello. Say Pasco or Chance Card.
Chance Card.
Chance Card. Did you just try to impersonate another player? Go to jail.
You see how it has like a green like light that lights up?
Hello. Say Pasco or Chance Card.
Pasco.
I put $200 Monopoly dollars in your account.
Yes. So anyway, okay guys, so $20.99. That's really cool. And then the last items I received, I don't want to knock over my tripod here. I just realized, excuse moi for a minute here. I'm going to like bend over and grab this. It's still in the box right here. I don't want to drop this. Okay. So, let me back up a little close to the camera there. I bought 2 of these for my kids' Easter baskets. And these are the glitter globes, you know, the Laugh Out Loud glitter globes. These were like $8 and I think 16 cents, but it's a pretty big size, you know, again, these are all for the Easter baskets. So yeah, so I picked up that one. 2 of my daughters really like these. So I picked up 2 of these. There's 2. Okay. So, and then they're the same ones, but of course we don't know what's inside till we open them. But they're pretty cool. They're pretty fun. You know, it's like a mystery bag for kids. You know how like I love my mystery bags from Michael's. Like I'm so missing those. I talk about those all the time. But I'm really missing those. So it's kind of like that for them. You know, it's fun. Like you don't know what you're going to get in here. It's fun. And then I also picked up this one right here. So, this is mini Laugh Out Loud balls. There's 2 of them in here. These are the Laugh Out Loud Littles. And these are for my daughter Sophie. I'm going to also put these in her Easter basket. And there's 2 sold as a set for only $13. So I think that's a really good deal. So they're smaller, but she's going to have those in her Easter basket, I believe. I'm not sure how I'm going to break this up. I think she'll get 2 of these and a big one, and then my other daughter will get one of the big ones, and then I have a lot of other like gifts to put in the baskets. But you know, $13 for 2 of them makes it a good deal. So yeah, you know, they never get tired of these. They love these. So they're fun. They're really fun. Yeah, guys. So I think that's it for my Amazon haul. Like I said, I ordered some more stuff today from Amazon, so you'll be seeing more Amazon hauls as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this haul. It's a bit of a quicker haul than I normally do, but I'll include the links below if you want to see where these are on Amazon, or if you know, just a shortcut to it. But other than that, I hope you guys are doing well, and thank you so much for being here. And I would love to hear your comments or your thoughts on what was your favorite thing I bought this time from Amazon Prime. Yeah, I can't decide. I think it's probably the shirt. But maybe the Monopoly game. I don't know. I love it all. So, all right, guys. Well, have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday. And have a wonderful Thursday. And I will see you all very, very soon tomorrow with my next haul. So, till next time, guys, take care. God bless you all. I'm sending hugs. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.